Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue trapezoid along with this black rectangle. They are put together in such a way that this angle between them is 25 degrees, and this angle is x. And furthermore, this side length is congruent to this one. This side length is congruent to this. And likewise, this side length is congruent to this one. And now our task is to find the value of this angle x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We know that this is our straight angle, which is 180 degrees, whereas this angle is 25 degrees. So therefore, this angle has got to be 180 minus 25. That is going to give us 155 degrees. So thus we conclude that this angle is going to be 155 degrees. And here's our next step. Let's make an observation. We can see that these two trapezoids are identical, since their respective side lengths are congruent. So therefore, this red line is going to be our axis of symmetry. In that case, this angle is going to be congruent to this angle. In other words, if I call this angle alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. And here's our next step. Let's make an observation. We can see that this whole angle is our straight angle, which is going to be 180 degrees. So in other words, the sum of these three individual angles, alpha plus x plus 25 degrees, is going to be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, I'm going to write down angle alpha plus angle x plus 25 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And we can also see that this angle is a straight angle, which is going to be equal to 180 degrees. And we know that this angle is equal to the sum of these two individual angles, alpha plus 155 degrees. So therefore, I can write this time alpha plus 155 degrees equals to 180 degrees as well. And now let's go ahead and compare these two above equations. We can see the right hand side is same, so we can equate the left hand sides as well. So therefore, I'm going to write down angle alpha plus angle x plus 25 degrees equals to alpha plus 155 degrees. And now we can see this angle alpha and this angle on the left hand side, they are gone. And now let's go ahead and subtract 25 degrees from both sides. And now we can see this 25 degrees and this negative 25 degrees is gone. So therefore, our angle x turns out to be 130 degrees. So thus our angle x turns out to be 130 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.